Do you think chemistry is a boring subject? Difficult subject? I have an answer for you. My last 21 years experience and the knowledge, I molded and prepared various videos for you. If you think that rememberation of periodic table, its atomic number is difficult, I have tricks. You can remember atomic number and element for long duration, I bet. You have to go through those videos. It is free. If you feel a basic concepts about the atomic structure are not known, right from the historical aspects to the modern aspects, the videos are prepared for you, which are useful for my S5 basic students. Even 8th standard student to 11th standard students also can go through those videos. If you have the problem about the bonding, then for that also videos are prepared. Those are helpful for my S5 basic students. By the way, those who are preparing for JEE examination, JAM examination, for them certainly those are helpful. If you want to know the molecular symmetry aspects right from the fundamental basic aspects to the extreme high level MSc level studies are covered in those videos. So you can get benefit of those videos. What I want, whatever the learning I did, I want that it should be open for all. I want to bring the world together. And if you have any doubt or any question about the instructions, those I provided in the videos, you are free to put your questions in the forum of my website ajitkanshidebharatiya.com. Even in YouTube also, you can put your queries. Friends, all the work I did, it is for you and it is free. Thank you.